Guys. Ollie.
杨晨。
The sweepstake for the purchase.
Now then, you're about to enter the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom. As we are currently without a Defense Against the Dark Arts professor, the position has proven perilous. Professor Beaton's our long-standing, long-deceased history of magic professor will, for your enjoyment, condense hundreds of years of Hogwarts history into a few short words. Enjoy your history. Oh, actually, it's done.
Still very sound.
That's not nice. If we were classroom, we'll do that. Anyway, we thought you might not watch them quick. We'll have to sneak you out of the class and down. And we reckon the best way of doing that was to fly you there.
All you have to do is follow music requirement. And I'm not taking that. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. Charlie learned from world-class Quidditch player.
Mine is famous.
Rhetorics for counting.
She's what I'm doing. Remember, meet Hermione in the room of requirements.
See, Ron, everything worked out perfectly.
Perfect. Except I'm stuck on this cloak here. Your voices down, built on ears.
Ron, you're despicable. Have you got a better idea, Ron?
Keep your voices down. Everything's going to be fine, but let's make this quick. Excuse me, we reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which, it should be pointed out, is rather fascinating. One book I highly recommend, which is an absolutely riveting read, is Bathilda Bagshaw's Hogwarts.
Perhaps another time, Hermione. The point is, Professor Binns is very, very boring. Which is understandable, as he's dead.
What Lloyd means to say is he's a ghost.
Yeah, well, dead, aren't they? Ghosts. Sort of a requirement. They're muggles, Hermione, not morons.
I never said they were morons. Well, your parents happen to be muggles, if you recall that.
Anyway, we thought you might prefer to come with us and see a game of Quidditch.
To get you there, we have to sneak you out the castle. That's where Hermione comes in.
All you have to do is meet me in the room of requirement. From there, we'll fly down to Quidditch pitch. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. The spell I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Hermione knows all these spells, you see.
Well, you're making it snow again.
Why does it always happen?
Monsieur le Jinx from Canto.
She's barking, but she's brilliant.
Someone's coming. Remember, the room of requirement.
See, that wasn't so bad.
I wish I would come early. I certainly know this place all benches safe.
I will now continue my review of the unique characteristics of enchanted binge.
And I will remind you that etiquette is every bit as important once in the air as it is on the ground.
And I'll tell you what it feels like to go blasting through a cloud on one of these benches.
The information I will be imparting is very important, young man. I'll thank you not to interrupt.
Who do you think you're going to listen to? You two? Or somebody who's actually taken these benches on test flights and lived to tell the tale?
Fine young Hogwarts, by the name of Ivan Raven, has been gracious enough to cast a flying charm at the enchanted benches. While they are quite safe, each bench possesses a mind of its own and can shoot up into the sky without notice or stop on the sickle at any moment. Therefore, it's not recommended for those with air contact, persons subject to motion sickness, or anyone who is pregnant.
Once aboard, please secure assorted and various loose items which might fall, scratch, or poke someone. Jewelry, earrings, telephones, change, glasses, hats, and wands.
Flying on one of these benches is like grabbing a Chinese fireball by its tail. I once flew one from the South Pole to the North Pole, and my shoes didn't arrive until the next day.
Preposterous nonsense.
Oh, is it, Grandad? Remind me to shake hands.
Over here! Alright, so observatory. On three. 1, 2, 3! Hang on tight! Mon Harry will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside! Sorry about that! This could be a bit dodgy! But we haven't lost anyone yet! Not this week anyway!
Hey, you lot! How's your
Leave me alone!
A few moments later.
Return to Hogwarts anytime. Now, tuck your elbows in. Oh, and don't forget to retrieve your stolen belongings. Just want them confiscated by Mr. Filch.